So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to react someone message on Messenger. So let's get it started. So let's open it, and this is the homepage of your Messenger account. Now you should have to tap on someone message here. So I'm tapping on myself. Then to react or someone message, you should have to tap on message icon here like this. Then you will see the various types of reaction. Anyone, you can tap on plus icon where you can see all the emojis here. And now to react or love, you should have to tap on heart icon, or you want to customize it, then you can simply tap on customize. Then you can select the emoji here like this. Then tap on here and see you have successfully reacted someone message on your Messenger. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.